Welcome to the Dr. Emily-Hartwell channel, where we uncover the vital nutritional secrets for maintaining strength and vitality after 60. Eggs are nature's perfect protein, but combining them with the wrong vegetables can unintentionally sabotage your efforts to build muscle. Today, we dive deep into the science of food synergy to ensure you get every ounce of nutrition you deserve. As we age, our bodies undergo significant biological changes that alter exactly how we process and absorb the food we eat. Specifically, after the age of 60, your body's production of digestive enzymes begins to drop, making protein absorption much harder. Pepsin is the key enzyme responsible for breaking down protein, and its production decreases by nearly 40% as we age. This biological decline means that even if you eat enough protein, your body might not be using it to build muscle. This brings us to a critical mistake many seniors make: pairing eggs with certain healthy vegetables that actually block absorption. There are 3 specific vegetables that act as nutritional villains when eaten with eggs: spinach, Swiss chard, and beet greens. While these greens are generally healthy, they contain extremely high levels of a compound called oxalates, which creates a major problem. Think of oxalates as tiny, powerful magnets that travel through your digestive system looking for minerals to bind with tightly. Eggs are incredibly rich in essential minerals like calcium, iron, and zinc, which are crucial for maintaining your bone density. When oxalates meet these minerals, they bind together to form insoluble complexes that your body simply cannot break down or absorb. Studies indicate that this chemical reaction can reduce the absorption of muscle-building nutrients by up to 87% in seniors. This means you could be eating a full meal but starving your muscles of the specific fuel they need to survive. Swiss chard is another culprit, containing oxalates that specifically target calcium, potentially increasing the risk of kidney stones over time. Beet greens are often cooked like spinach, but they share the same high oxalate profile that interferes with your iron absorption. For those over 60, iron deficiency can lead to fatigue and weakness, making it harder to stay active and fit. Does this mean you should never eat spinach or chard again? Absolutely not. It just means we need to change preparation. The secret to unlocking the nutrients in these vegetables lies in how you cook them before they ever touch your plate. Boiling high oxalate vegetables for just 3 minutes is the most effective method to significantly reduce their harmful oxalate content. This simple boiling technique can leach out up to 87% of the oxalates into the water, making them safe. Remember to discard the boiling water immediately, as it now contains all the oxalates that were previously trapped in the leaves. Steaming is another viable option, though it is slightly less effective, reducing oxalate content by about 30 to 60%. If you love spinach with your eggs, always choose the cooked version over raw leaves to protect your mineral absorption. Now, let's talk about the superheroes of the vegetable world that you should be pairing with your eggs every morning. Bell peppers are an excellent choice because they are packed with vitamin C, which actively enhances the absorption of iron. By adding bell peppers to your omelet, you create a powerful synergy that helps your body utilize the iron from eggs. Broccoli and cauliflower are also fantastic companions for eggs, offering fiber and nutrients without the high oxalate risks of spinach. Mushrooms provide a savory umami flavor and contain unique antioxidants that support your immune system as you age gracefully. Tomatoes are perhaps the most interesting partner for eggs due to a powerful antioxidant compound known as lycopene. Lycopene is fat-soluble, meaning it requires dietary fat to be absorbed, and egg yolks provide the perfect delivery vehicle. Eating tomatoes with eggs can increase your absorption of lycopene by 4 times compared to eating tomatoes on their own. We have covered the vegetables, but what about the eggs themselves? The way you cook them matters just as much. Scientific data shows that cooked eggs have a digestibility rate of 91%, compared to only 50% for raw eggs. Hard-boiled eggs are the gold standard for protein availability, ensuring your aging muscles get the maximum benefit from every bite. Poached eggs are also an excellent choice, as the gentle cooking method preserves the delicate vitamins found in the yolk. Avoid frying eggs at extremely high temperatures or overcooking them, as this can damage the protein structure and reduce digestibility. When protein is overcooked, it becomes tough and rubbery, making it much harder for your limited pepsin enzymes to process. Beyond food combinations, hydration plays a silent but critical role in how well you digest and absorb these nutrients. Water is essential for the production of gastric juices. Without it, your stomach cannot break down proteins effectively for absorption. To stimulate muscle protein synthesis, experts recommend consuming between 25 to 30 grams of high-quality protein during each meal. 2 eggs provide about 12 grams of protein, so consider adding a side of beans or yogurt to hit that target. Diet alone is not enough. You must signal your body to maintain muscle through regular, gentle resistance exercise or movement. Exercise acts as the trigger that tells your body to use the protein you eat to repair and strengthen muscle tissue. Sleep is when the magic happens. Deep sleep releases growth hormones that are essential for muscle repair and overall recovery. So, to summarize, avoid raw spinach with eggs, choose cooked peppers or tomatoes instead, and prioritize boiled or poached eggs. These small adjustments to your daily breakfast routine can make a massive difference in your energy levels and physical strength. Food is meant to be enjoyed, and understanding these interactions empowers you to eat with confidence and joy every single day. Don't forget to use herbs and spices like turmeric and black pepper, which can further reduce inflammation and aid digestion. Black pepper contains piperine, which can increase the absorption of other nutrients by up to 2,000% in some cases. Science is constantly evolving, and staying informed allows you to take control of your health destiny as you age. Share this knowledge with your friends and family, because community support is a vital pillar of a long, healthy life. Let's appreciate the humble egg, a powerhouse of nutrition that, when treated right, becomes your best ally against aging. You might wonder about kale or bok choy. Generally, they are safer than spinach but still benefit from light steaming. Proper washing and preparation are the first steps in any healthy kitchen, removing surface contaminants before you even start cooking. Regular checkups can help you monitor your nutrient levels, ensuring that your new diet is working effectively for your body. Remember, it is not just about muscle. Absorbing calcium from eggs and greens is critical for preventing osteoporosis and fractures. Eggs are one of the few food sources of vitamin D, which works in tandem with calcium to strengthen your skeleton. Becoming a conscious consumer means looking beyond the calories and understanding the chemistry of what you put in your cart. Lettuce and cucumbers are low in oxalates and make for a refreshing, safe side dish to accompany your morning eggs. Don't fear the yolk. It contains choline, a nutrient that is essential for brain health and cognitive function as we age. By optimizing your egg intake, you are feeding not just your muscles but also your mind, keeping you sharp and focused. While vitamin C is good, be cautious with fruit juices high in sugar. Whole peppers are a much better source. A single red bell pepper contains more vitamin C than an orange, without the blood sugar spike that comes from juice. Stable blood sugar is key to preventing inflammation, which is another enemy of muscle preservation in the elderly population. Avocados are another brilliant partner for eggs, providing healthy fats that further assist in the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. Vitamins A, D, E, and K require fat to be absorbed, making the egg and avocado duo a nutritional powerhouse. For an extra boost of fiber and omega-3s, try sprinkling some ground flax seeds or chia seeds over your cooked eggs. Fiber is crucial for gut health, and a healthy gut microbiome improves your overall ability to absorb nutrients from all foods. Think of your gut as the garden where your health grows, Feed it well, and it will take care of you. Planning your meals ahead can help you avoid the trap of convenience foods that are often low in protein and nutrients.
You almost set the kitchen on
Prepping your
fire that
veggies,
day. Look
like
at you
boiling your
now.
spinach in advance, makes it easy to assemble a
It was
healthy
terrible.
breakfast in
It was
minutes.
one time.
An omelet loaded with mushrooms, peppers, and onions is not just healthy, it is a delicious way to start your day. Cooking can be a shared activity that brings joy and connection, adding an emotional component to your nutritional well being. Beans are another great addition to your
No,
breakfast plate,
thank you. I'll have the
offering
eggs.
slow digesting carbohydrates that provide sustained energy throughout the morning. By stabilizing your energy, you prevent the mid morning crash that often leads to unhealthy snacking and sugar cravings. Making these smart choices repeatedly builds a habit of health that protects your muscles and organs for the long term.
Consistency is paramount. Those
Adequate
small,
protein
healthy
intake is
habits
also
practiced
vital for
daily
your
are
immune
far more
system,
effective than occasional
providing the
drastic
building blocks
changes.
for antibodies that fight off infection. When you are protein deficient, your immune response weakens, leaving you more vulnerable to illnesses that can further deplete muscle. Consistency is key. One healthy meal won't fix everything, but a lifestyle of mindful eating will transform your health. Try to stick to these principles for at least 30
Here under
days to see
zucchini,
and
add
feel
for
the
enjoy your
tangible
meal.
difference in your body.
They look
Maintaining a
wonderful. Thank
healthy
you.
weight becomes
How much
easier
for
when
the
your diet
carrots?
is nutrient dense rather than calorie dense, keeping you full for longer. Treating your body with respect through nutrition is the ultimate form of self care, allowing you to age with dignity. Visit your local farmer's market to find the freshest seasonal vegetables that will bring variety and flavor to your meals. Quality matters. Whenever possible, choose free range or organic eggs, which often contain higher levels of omega 3 fatty acids.
Ándale, rápido.
A deep orange yolk is often a sign of a hen with a nutrient rich diet,
Que te alcance.
translating to better nutrition for you.
As we conclude, I urge you
And
to
do not
take these
forget
lessons and
hydration.
apply them
Aim
with
for at least
courage.
8 glasses
The
of water a
impact you
day to
can
keep
make
your
is truly
digestion
limitless.
optimized. Functional fitness, like climbing stairs easily, is the real world reward for all your attention to diet and nutrition.
I knew this healthy
Your
square
health
would
is
hit the
your
spot
wealth,
after our walk.
enabling you to participate
You were right.
fully in the
A
lives of your
strong
children
body and a
and
clear mind
grandchildren
go
for
hand in hand.
years. We have covered a lot today, from the chemistry of oxalates to the best cooking methods for your daily eggs. Remember the golden rules: boil your spinach, embrace peppers and tomatoes, and cook your eggs to perfection for absorption. Knowledge is power,
Make
and
sure
now
to
you
share
have the
this
power
link
to
with
make
all
breakfast
your
a
friends and
muscle building
family.
ritual
And
every
don't forget to
single
share.
morning. If you found this information valuable, please subscribe to
Well,
our
suppose
channel
that
and hit the
counts.
notification bell for more health insights.
Very nicely done,
Check
dear.
out our other videos where we explore heart health, brain function, and other essential topics for the aging body. Share this video with someone you care about. You might just help them improve their health with these simple tips. We believe that aging should be a journey of strength, vitality, and joy, not one of decline and weakness. Thank you for watching Dr. Emily-Hartwell. Eat well, stay strong, and live your best life. See you next time.